Hey guys, Eddy here from RStudioworks. I'm here to give you an update on the project I have been working on. So there has been a slight change in plans from what I decided last time. I am still going to be working on that website project, but before I do that, I decided to add an initial, kind of a pre-step to it. So what I want to do is make a generic application first. So the thing is, I have been getting a lot of ideas lately, and I have been adding them to my to-do list. So instead of restarting every application from scratch, I think it would be a good idea to make that generic application just to branch off from that later on. So what I would like to have is like a boilerplate application, but not exactly a boilerplate, just an application that has all the basic features to start a project. So what the application will have basically is login, so authentication and authorization. Probably it will be connected to Firebase for that, but it will also have all the CRUD methods. So just a few items to show as a list, add to the list, remove from the list, and modify. I am also thinking about adding payment plans and connect it to Stripe. It will also have some kind of image or video upload to an S3 bucket, and some other basic features like recovering password or change the password itself. And it will also have a profile page with the user details, just a basic application that has all the basic features that most applications should have right now. I'm also thinking about sharing this application with you guys so that you can easily start your own projects as well. In the beginning, I was thinking about using the same stack that I have been using, that is Angular with Firebase. But the more I thought about it, is React is gaining a lot of traction these days, and most developers are making their applications in React. So I took the decision to learn React firstly and make this generic application using React. So it will be React for the front end and Firebase for the back end. I will be using Stripe for the payment gateway, and probably Twilio / SendGrid for sending out emails. The app itself will be hosted on Firebase, and the S3 buckets will also be on Firebase. Another reason I want to do this app in React is I have decided to do a two-part application. So the first part that I've been talking about will be the web-based application. But I also want to have a mobile application. And the technology I'll be using there is React Native. So to make a good transition between these two platforms, I think React is one of the better choices to go for nowadays. And of course, another reason for me using React is because I don't know any React right now. So I will be following a course on Udemy about React and Firebase to implement this project. For me, it will be a good learning opportunity and another tool under my belt for my programming career. So as I said, once I am done with that generic application, I will branch out and create that website generating application. So hopefully once I am done, it will help me create my applications faster. So once I have an idea in my mind to create an application, it will be easy to get off the ground, and hopefully it can help others to bring their ideas to life. So I invite you to join me in the next video to see the progress I have made on the generic app. So hopefully you get to try it out as well as I am coding it. Your feedback is very much appreciated. Leave them in the comments below. If you have any feature requests, just leave them there. I'll see if it is feasible. Make sure you're subscribed and like this video and share it with anybody you think it will be useful to. So I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.